Righto guys, so now we're on to installing the wind deflectors for the side of the vehicle and for the front of the vehicle. So the first step for installing, we're going to be installing this driver side one at the front this time. So taking our trusty microfiber, making sure that the surface is nice and clean, no residue or anything, to make sure that they stick really, really well. Righto guys, so we've gotten the backing tape off our double-sided tape, and then what we're going to do is to install them. We want to get it nice and square with the side of the vehicle, and then same with the front. We just want to sit them a couple mil down from the top of the door, so sit them in place just like this, making sure that they don't overhang the whole way around. And then once we're happy with where they sit, just pushing down nice and firmly to make sure that the double-sided tape has stuck really well and bonded. Same with on the side of the door, making sure they're nice and square, and it's that easy to install. We're going to be installing the driver side rear wind deflector now, so trusty microfiber, making sure that there's no residue left for where we're going to be laying down the double-sided tape. Then grabbing our rear wind deflector, I've already removed the backing off the double-sided tape on this one in preparation. And then same process as the front, getting nice and square to the front, and then same with the back, making sure you're just sitting a couple millimeters down from the top of the door, nice and square. You can use the front one as a reference for your height, and then pressing down nice and hard the whole way along to make sure that double-sided tape has bonded really well. And again, just like that, super easy to install, and what an awesome looking product.